All right, guys, we are back. This is Module 2, Lesson 6 for the homework. Okay, Module 2, Lesson 6, Homework Helper. So we over here, I ripped my paper. I went a little too fast. That's how I get a lot of the papers back. I was going a bit too quick, and I ripped it. So it is what it is. We will roll on. It's still fine. I can still use it, which means you can still turn it to me if you rip yours. So we have 4 times as much as 25. Okay, so we need 25. So we have 2 10s is 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ones. We need that 4 times. So we look 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And if we look, we have the same thing right here. 2 10s 4 times and 5 ones 4 times. So we can go back now and just look. We need to know how many 10s we have. You can do 4 times 2. You could count 2, 4, 6, 8. Either way, we're going to get 8 10s. All right. I need to go back to making my 8s the old way. I started making them a new way, and I don't really like it as much. There. That's my 8. That looks better. All right. Now we need to know how many 1s we have. Okay. So we can do 4 times 5 ones. 4 times 5. Or we could count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times 5 is also 20. So we have 20 1s. So we put the number down here. We have 8 10s. 8 10s is worth how much? That's right. It's worth 80. And 21s, we'll put 20. You don't have to. I mean, you could take them over if you wanted and just put 2 more over here. Or you can just add 80 plus 20, and that will give you 100. Okay. Do it the same way over here. Draw it out. Break it down the same way. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Just draw it out. Let's put 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 1s. So you got to do that 3 more times. So you have 4 groups, right, where you got 52 across. And then finish this one in. Distributive property down here on the bottom is the same thing we just kind of did up top. So if we look at let me get this camera a little closer. Sorry, they took my laptop today, and my desk is all different now. I don't know. Hopefully I get my laptop back soon. Anyways, we're breaking it down to 3 times 45 equals 3 times 40 plus 5. Okay, then so we're going to do 3 to here and then 3 to here. So 3 times 40 and 3 times 5. This answer here, this answer here. Add those together, put this answer here. I don't think you guys need more help than that. I will break this one down for you, but then I'm going to stop after that. I'm not going to help you anymore. Remember, 52 into 2 numbers. We're going to go 50 and 2. Break it down just like we did over here for number 4. All right. On the back, use the number lines to find equivalent fractions. Equivalent means worth the same amount. Worth the same amount. So we want to look up top. We have fourths. So we have 0 fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths equals 1. And down here we're in eighths. Eighths are smaller than fourths. That's why we see more of them. This is the same distance. This is showing the same number. That 4 fourths is 1 and 8 eighths is 1. So it's the same. 8 eighths is also the same as 4 fourths. That's why they're above each other like that. So anytime we see them directly above each other, they're worth the same thing. All right. So 0 fourths is the same as 0 eighths because they're right above each other. I know I made my 8 different right after I said I wasn't going to do it, but I did it. Oh, well. All right. So now 1 quarter, 1 fourth. So 1 fourth directly under it, 2 eighths. All right. So keep going with that the same way. Keep going the rest of the way. You go bottom. Wow. I put bottom and top together and got bottom. You can go bottom to the top or top to the bottom, either way, to see what's directly underneath it. Partition the intervals into eighths. Label the fractions at 0 and 1. Then plot a point at 3 eighths. Let's draw this bigger. 0, 1. So 0 would be, right, if we want to make this look a little neater, 0, because we're going to put underneath, and we're going to have right here 0/8. That equals 0. And over here, I could have drawn this different start. We're going to have this line right here is 8/8, which equals 1. I don't know why I put 0. Let's put 0 down there. I put 0 again. See, everyone makes mistakes. 1. All right. So go back, make sure, you need to tell me where is 3/8. Where does this go on this line? You need to show me all of them from 0/8 to 8/8. You have to show me the whole thing. You've seen this somewhere before. You've seen it somewhere recently. Okay. Tomorrow's Thursday. Hope you had a good Wednesday night. Hope you have a good Wednesday night. I will see you in class in the morning. Again, this was Eureka Math Squared, Module 2, Lesson 6, Homework Help. Have a good night.